Alright, I'm going to show you how to use the information we have on our primers to find the sequence that these primers will pull. So in our Excel spreadsheet, we have each line is for a particular group, and for instance, I'm using the first group here, which is TA's Ricky. It's group 1, and that group used mutant 118 and mutant or complement 114. I have copied the information on that first line here to a text file just to make it easy to see. Perhaps you could print these out and give them to each group. I think I'll probably do that, but I'm going to do this once to show you how to use this information from the spreadsheet to find the sequence associated with these primers. Now, this is a new tool by the NCBI. To go to it, you simply go to Google, type in NCBI primer blast, alright, and then you just click on the result there, the first one. Now in this tool, we will ignore this larger block. That's if you have a sequence and you're looking for primers. We already have primers. We want to know the sequence associated with it. So therefore, we need to use these two smaller blocks. Now to do this, we go to our forward primer here, and I'm just going to copy it. You could go directly from the spreadsheet if you like, but I already had these created, so I thought, well, let's make it simpler and so you could see what's going on. I put the forward primer here. I'm going to put the reverse primer here in this second block. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put this into the reverse block. That's all you have to do here. Now down here, it's got ref-seq mRNA. That's probably the best thing. You could switch this to genomic DNA, give you a much larger result, and it's harder to use. Just use the mRNA. I think that's the easiest. What you do have to change, though, is you have to change from Homo sapiens, of course, to Drosophila. So use the correct one, 7227. Alright, once you do that, you might also want to click on this box showing show results in new window. I'm not going to bother here. I'm just going to hit enter, get primers. And what this will do is will give us the sequence that our two primers would pull from the Drosophila genome. Here is our result. You hit check, and let's see, it should give me information. There we go. Alright, so what it did, it gave me two mRNA variants that those primers are associated with. So this is not genomic DNA, it's the mRNA that would be the result of that sequence, but you can use this information. This is actually easier to use and in a better format. So I could click on either of these results. It doesn't matter. Both would give you useful results that you can compare to the Finch TV results. So the idea is this is a GenBank file, not quite what we want. What we want is the FASTA file, so I click here, and this is our sequence. So this is what we would basically copy. You can put this into a text file if you like. Maybe you want to put it here. I could paste this in, and in other words, this is telling me that these two primers will pull this sequence from the Drosophila genome. Actually, this is the mRNA associated with the sequence that these two would pull, but this is a legitimate sequence. Now then, we would do the same thing here with 114 and find the sequence associated with those. I'm going to end this part of the tutorial here. Just understand that this particular sequence needs to be compared to the Finch TV results.